All right, what do you do when you have nothing in the fridge and just a bunch of meats in the freezer? And your pantry is looking mighty low. Hey guys, today I'm gonna try to make a carnivore casserole. That's the kind of beef that BB always gets. Pulled out some oregano, salt, pepper. I'm gonna put it in there. I got some cheese and some, can't remember what the other one is. All right, I put the salt, the pepper, the oregano. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. I mean, this is something. I was gonna make a meatball, a big meatball, but I think I'm gonna try it in this casserole thing. I mean, you can call this meatloaf. You can use whatever seasoning you want. You can use meatloaf seasoning. Put all this in there. Oops. I gotta get the oven set at 350 and cook it for an hour. All right, there it is. Gonna put this over it. Got the oven ready. 350 for an hour. And then I'm gonna add some sauce and cheese. All right, guys, I pulled it out because I wanna drain that juice out there. And then I wanna add the spaghetti sauce and the ricotta cheese to it. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Again, a lot of the stuff I'm using is what I had in the refrigerator. All right, put that in there. I mean, it's almost like meatloaf lasagna. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this in there. Come on, there you go. And this time I'm gonna spray the aluminum foil up on top so it doesn't stick to the cheese. Then put her back in. All right, I'm turned this up to 380. It was on 350. I'm gonna go to 380 for the last maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Now that smells like a lasagna. A lasagna meatloaf carnivore. But I gotta see if that inside is cooked. But that looks pretty good. I wish I had pepperonis. I could have put pepperonis on there. Or ham. Hey, BB. It's time for the taste test. So while you were working, I cut it up already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if I would have had the what the heck was it?
Dude, this is gonna create a problem. You're gonna have to get it out.
Okay. That's what she said.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Push that with your good hand. Everyone's gonna think I beat you.
If I take this off, they'll think you beat me.
I got two good hands and I'm having an issue. Okay, take your plate out.
Do we have any more Coke?
No. Did you want me to go get some?
No.
You want water?
Yeah.
You want a fork or a spoon?
Fork.
Or you want a beer?
Aye. Give me a beer.
Bottle or can?
Bottle.
Last bottle.
I figured that one was the last one. That's why I said bottle. I didn't think I only had one or two more left. You gotta use the thingamajiggy.
Can opener?
Yeah. You twist the neck shit off.
I could with my mouth.
Right.
a hero.
Don't be a hero.
Extra stout.
Good, because I'm in extra pain.
Alrighty, now try not to chew loud. I've heard some videos of me chewing like a
Cow.
I don't know what a cow chews like, but I even said to myself, like, God damn. Yeah, I wish I would have had pepperoni. But that's all we had. I mean, it definitely smells lasagna-ness. Okay. I just hope you like it. Because so far... Is that good?
Yeah. What should put in here?
Mm-hmm. That is good.
Maybe not.
You think it's got to go back in, or?
I would put that back in for about 10-15 minutes. Ooh, without the... No, leave that on there.
All right. I mean, it's like... It's a slight...
Pink.
Pink?
I mean, you can eat it. It's like a medium well...
Oh, okay. Okay.
Steak.
Gotcha.
I mean, you ain't eating pork or... This ain't lamb chops.
Yeah, I mean, it's. I mean,
It's
it
got
could.
one little area.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good. What flavors are you tasting? First of all, do you like it?
That's not bad. Did you put any garlic in it?
No.
Did you put oregano in it?
Yes.
Okay.
And I put a little bit of green adobo.
Oh, that's what I'm tasting then.
With the marinara sauce.
Mm-hmm.
The cheese. And then the powdered cheese.
Powdered cheese?
You know, the cheese you sprinkle.
Oh, that's shredded, not powdered.
I call it dust.
Okay. This is going to be a pain in the ass until I get it to heal.
I know, but we're talking about food.
I'm even having a hard time trying to maneuver my fork.
I should have put garlic in it. I didn't think about it. I didn't even know if we had garlic.
You got minced garlic in the refrigerator.
Son of a gun. I should have put that in there.
And there may be some dehydrated garlic in there, but you've got 2 jars of minced garlic in there.
Next time. I didn't think about it.
That's really the only thing that's missing. Other than that, babe, you did a good
salt,
job.
pepper,
Yeah.
oregano, a little bit of adobo.
Next time, you need to start putting some Italian seasoning in there, not just oregano.
I don't even know if we have Italian seasoning.
I got a whole half a pound up there.
Alright, I'm going to make the volcano meatball.
Okay.
And I'll write the ingredients down.
Alright.
And you tell me what to put in it.
Well, this meatball, it should be oregano, garlic. You should be having some pork, ground pork to put in there with the hamburger. Onions.
Alright, so the next time we go to Publix.
And onions. If I have to mince it up, I'll mince up the onions and put them in a jar for you.
Okay.
I can do that.
Or we could buy minced onion real quick because we don't have no onions
No, we don't.
in the thing.
Yeah. But no, this tastes pretty good.
Yeah, that sauce is really good.
Yeah, I'm liking the marinara better than the spaghetti sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, but this is definitely carnivore.
Mm-hmm.
I know a lot of people see us mix it up between going out and doing this, but
Hey, we're still losing weight. That's all that matters.
yeah, it's like we're staying away from the bread,
Pasta,
the pasta, a lot of things we've been staying away from
rice,
and stuff. Rice, definitely.
and trust me, I've been craving some rice and gandulas.
We're gonna have to wait till November.
Mom!
We'll have to wait till November. Jose and Laura.
I'll call Mom up. She'll make me some rice and gandulas.
But this is pretty good, like you said. A little bit of garlic, Italian seasoning. Would have been perfect.
Oh. Just for poops and giggles the next time, take the ricotta cheese and mix it in with all the... and let it just cook into the meat. I bet you that'd be real tasty. It's good the way it is. I'm not complaining.
Well, you're going to see when I make my volcano
Okay.
meatball.
Okie dokie jokey.
By the way, it's another good healthy eating carnivore.
Mm-hmm.
Helps your A1C. Not
Yeah,
that
buddy.
much sugar in
No.
that.
In the marinara.
Yeah, that was the one with
I'm
the
getting so
lowest
tired I
sugar.
can't even talk today.
But definitely good dinner. Next time I'll just put the oven on 400.
Okay. Or like 425.
Maybe that's what it needed. And I did drain the oil.
Oh, okay.
And then I put it back in.
To finish cooking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
I mean,
But no, it's really good though. You did a good job, Ben. You did a mighty fine job. But yeah, it's missing some onions and the garlic.
And the Italian seasoning.
Mm.
Alright guys, just let us know. When you don't have nothing in your house, what do you cook?
What are you whipping up?
What do you whip up? We'd whipped up this, I don't know what to call it. Lasagna meatloaf?
Yeah, kind of like a lasagna meatloaf.
Lasagna meatloaf.
I mean, it's good.
And the beer.
Wow.
Until our next adventure.
Hey, everybody, take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. Bon appetit. See y'all.